you guys, Shauna here, and today I am going to be doing another wig review for you. I am going to be working with a company by the name of Jaliza, and this is the box that the wig came in. This is a beautiful matte looking black box here, and I'm just going to go ahead and get this box opened up so I can show you guys the wig that we are going to be installing today. So upon opening up the box, this is what it looks like. And here is the paper that the wig is wrapped in. This looks so professionally done, you guys. I don't even want to mess with the sticker. Okay, oh my goodness. And you know they always give you goodies with every wig that you purchase. So here's a card that they gave me in the box. Let's open that up. So you have this card here. This is $25 off coupon. And this here is how to care for your wig. And that's just in case you needed to return your wig. This is what you would need. Okay, so far as the goodies go, you get a wig cap. And I'm not for sure what this is, you guys. If y'all know in the comments, let me know. I've never seen this before, but I'm sure it has something to do with the wig. Maybe you can hang it up for drying if you wash it. Not for sure though. Looks like you got some 3D lashes. These look really, really cute. And then this is the bag that your wig comes in. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay. Alrighty, you guys. So the wig that we are going to be installing today, and I am super excited because this is a Tangleless human hair boho medium size knotless box braids. The color is 1B. The length is 36 inches. And just straight out the pack, look at all them baby hairs. It's got a natural hairline. This is what the back looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the net here. Look at that, y'all. Super soft. This is human hair, you guys. So this is not going to tangle. And this is what the braids look like. This is full hand-tied lace, so it gives you that natural look. So when you look on the inside, it also has a realistic looking back. When you pull up all of these braids, it looked like you went to the shop and got your hair done, sat down for 8 hours in somebody's chair. Look at this. And this is HD lace. I am going to tint my lace. Always tint my lace with my Ruby Kisses. So that is going to be all over the lace on the inside to give that natural look. You do have an adjustable strap that's already attached. You got your combs for your wig. This is a breathable cap. It doesn't look like it's going to take long to install at all. I did request for a small cap size because I do have a smaller head. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down and put on a stocking cap, and we're going to install this wig and see what it's giving. Alrighty, you guys, it is now time to install this unit. And with this being a glueless unit, you don't have to use any type of adhesive to lay down your lace. But for me personally, I always tack down my wigs, and that's just for me personally to feel comfortable in my unit. So I'm using the Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. Yeah, let's get this bad boy on. play fit. Play fit, yo! Oh my goodness. And I got a small cap size, y'all, and it fits perfect. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my goodness. I can tell I'm going to be rocking this thing pretty much the majority of the summer. Okay. I'm just seeing if I'm going to need to have to cut any braids off on the sides or if I'm going to be good. Because they are hanging over just a little bit. I don't want to have to cut my braid off though, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get away with not cutting a braid off, y'all, because it is hanging over just a little bit past my ear. And I'm not for sure. I might have to do it. And that's just so it's not hanging over my ear. Oh, man. Okay, let me tack it down. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes and then come back and cut the lace off and do something with my baby hairs and see if I need to remove one of these braids. Okay, y'all, let's get this close up on this lace though. You see how it just melts? Cannot hardly see that. I'm loving it. Yes, y'all. Do something to these edges. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna lay these little baby hairs down for a second and put some makeup on and see what we looking like, because we almost done, y'all. You guys, I am loving this hair. This is what the tips look like, the curly ends. Again, you guys, this is Tangleless human hair. This wig was ready to go straight out the pack. I love it. I love the fact that it fits my head perfectly. I can wear this unit. I can take it off, rewear it, and not worry about the hair not holding up. This is human hair, you guys. It is Tangleless. So you don't have to worry about this hair tangling. You don't have to worry about this hair looking crazy if you want to reinstall this wig. Y'all, save you some time by sitting in somebody's chair 8 hours and go get you this wig, honey. It will not fail or disappoint. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh man, I'm gonna be able to do a whole lot of styles with this. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna get up because I need to show y'all, because this hair is 36 inches long. I can't show y'all sitting down in this chair, so let me get up so I can show y'all this hair. This unit is amazing, you guys, amazing. If you have any questions or comments for me, you know to leave them for me down below. And as always, don't forget to slay them edges.